Here's how to use Bluesky. Now, if you're on your iPhone or Android and you want to sign up and start to use the new social media app called Bluesky, I'll walk you through the entire process. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's first just head into the App Store because you need to download and install the Bluesky app. So just tap on search here, and I'm going to just search for Bluesky. So you can see here, it says Bluesky Social, and if you've already downloaded it, you're great. If it just says download here or get, just tap on that button to download it. Now, after we've done that, let's just open up the app. If you're just signing up, then you'll need to enter in your email address, choose a handle, basically confirm a bunch of information, your birthday, all that stuff, and then just set everything up. But after you have done that, basically this is the screen that you'll see. At the very top left, you can see Discover. So I'm on the Discover page. There's also Following. If you're following any other accounts, it will just show posts from that specific account or list of accounts. And now on here, I'll walk you through some really helpful things. So tap on the three lines at the top left. And you'll see at the very top is my handle, trevornace.bluesky.social. I have 0 followers and 2 following. I can tap on search if I want to search for anything here. I can also tap on home to go back home. I can tap on chat here. This will get me into my DMs or messages, notifications, feeds, lists, profile, and settings. Now, I'll show you a couple of things in settings. Tap on that. And the two main things that I would recommend looking at, first is account here. You'll be able to change your email address on here, change your birthday, your password, change your handle, or update it if you want. You can also download all your data, as well as deactivate or delete your account. So there's a lot of really good options right in here in the account page. However, let's go back here and tap on privacy and security. This is where you can turn on two-factor authentication. And keep in mind, you could always toggle this on to help limit other apps and websites from basically going through and crawling all of your posts and being able to show them elsewhere. However, keep in mind, as of right now, Bluesky doesn't appear to allow you to make your entire account or profile or all your posts private. Essentially, everything is open up to everyone who's on Bluesky. Now that we're done with that, let's just go back here and tap on home at the bottom left. Now, if you want to customize and not just have Discover or Following, one of the best features of Bluesky are these hashtags at the top right. So tap on it, and you can see My Feeds. So it shows Discover and Following, but you can also add other feeds. So for instance, I like science. So I'm going to tap on the science feed here. And then if I scroll down, let's see if there are any other ones that I like on here. Let's say art. Let's choose that. Now, if I tap on home again at the bottom left, now you'll see at the very top Discover, Following, but it also has science and art. So tap on science here. And now it will customize basically an entire feed that is just science related. Or you can choose whatever topic you want, whatever interests you want, whatever hobbies, sports, musicians, popular news, anything like that. You can see and find those specific feeds and just swipe pretty quickly and easily over to the different ones, which is a really great feature that other competitors, Twitter and Threads or X, don't necessarily have and don't necessarily have worked out as well as Bluesky. Now, at the very bottom, you'll be able to see the search button, again, your chats, your notifications, and then your profile at the bottom right. So those are all things that you can get to from the normal menu as well. However, the next thing that I would recommend doing is posting your first Bluesky post. So at the bottom right here, you can see on every screen is that blue circle with a pen and paper. I can tap on it, and it says, "What's up?" It allows you to create a post, and I'm just going to say hi. Now, at the very bottom right, it shows you how many characters you have. You have a 300 character limit. You can always change for each specific post who can interact with it by tapping on anybody can interact. And you can choose to nobody or just mentioned users or just followed users. Now on here, you can also add any kind of photos or videos at the bottom left. So I can tap on photos and I can add a photo if I wanted to this specific post. And then keep in mind, similar to basically Twitter or Threads or X, you'll be able to create kind of nested posts because you do have that 300 character count limit. So you can always tap on the plus at the very bottom, and you'll be able to see it creates these nested or threaded posts if you want to have one and then have another one after that, all that stuff. Now, when you're done and good to go, you just tap on post at the very top right. And just like that, it will post it to your profile, and anyone that is following you will be able to see that and interact with it. They can comment, they can like it, they can basically repost it. If I go back home, I'll show you kind of how that works. So on any of these, I can like them. I can tap on this button to repost or quote post this. And then you can see the comment button here. I can write my own comment. Or if I want to see other people's comments, I need to tap on that specific post and then scroll down, and I'll see all of the comments associated with that specific post. Again, I can always like those or respond to them, all that stuff. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.